Hi everyone, Abby here. Welcome back to my channel for Tech Tuesday, or welcome if you're new. Now today I'm going to be unboxing the new Dyson Supersonic Nural hairdryer. And I have this in the special edition version. But before I get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so you can stay tuned to all my new videos dropping weekly and so you can help the channel grow. So as I mentioned, I have the Dyson here in the special edition version that comes in the color Strawberry Bronze Blush Pink. And the Nural here also comes in two other colors. You can get it in turquoise, you can get it in blue as well. This one, special edition, so it's kind of, limited quantities. So if you do want this one, I'd recommend buying it as soon as possible before this colorway sells out. Now, the current price as of recording for this hairdryer is $629.99 Canadian and $499.99 American. Definitely quite pricey. And I did grab this on Black Friday, so I actually did pick it up on sale. Coming in at $499.99 Canadian, and it was also $389.99 American. Now, I did pick this up from my local Shoppers Drug Mart. I claimed my Shoppers Optimum points, picked this up, which was fantastic. So you can see a picture of the hairdryer here. Here's the back where you're seeing kind of a little bit of a description of all the features, which is pretty cool. Definitely pretty helpful. You could see all of the attachments here. And all right, guys, let's unbox this, what you guys came here to see. I don't really like packages like this, where it's kind of like folded over. It's just kind of annoying to open. Expect better. You want something easy to open when you're, spending this much personally. I'm gonna pour it out. This is the first thing we got in here, and there is more in the package. All right, so that's everything inside of the package. Here is the case that it does come with. All right, so opening that up, we can see the Dyson Nural, some accessories here. I'm just gonna quickly get this out of the way, show you guys these. So this one is your diffuser attachment. And you can take that out depending on the type of curls you're trying to achieve. Or you can use it like this or like this. Hair dryer here. So it does come with a little film on it, which I like to see. Would prevent, any little scratches or scuffs. The power cord is at the bottom here. So I'm gonna actually get this out of the way. And we will come back to that last because, save the best for last, right? Okay, so first, not the most exciting, but we got some paperwork in here. We have this little benefits card from Dyson. We have a quick start guide here. Some safety, information to read through here. Right over here on this side, we have another attachment. So this is the flyaway attachment. Now, opening up what was in this little box here. So this is the gentle air attachment. So we've gone through 3 attachments. I'll just do the other 2 and then I will jump into the Dyson. So here we have the styling concentrator. And we have the wide tooth comb attachment. Let's get the power cord unraveled and everything like that. This seems to have a very long cord, which I am liking a lot. My last hairdryer, the cord was quite short. It is like a 2-prong. I thought it was gonna have 3, so it doesn't. It's not grounded. Just to show you guys, this cord is very long, which is awesome. I'm gonna go as far as saying it's definitely taller than 6 feet because it's a lot taller than me and I'm 5'8". So love that it has a nice long cord. And here's the Dyson Nural. guys, so here it is, right out of the box. I just think this color is really pretty. It's kind of like a copper, in my opinion, meets rose gold, very pretty. And this down here, they call it pink, but I think it's more of like a peach type of color. And all right, guys, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. It does have magnetic connection for the attachments. They pop in really easy. When to pull it out, it requires a little bit of force. This shouldn't be, popping out on you while you're using it. All right, guys, so now I've shown you everything about what is in this package. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on to give you a little bit of a demo of how it sounds, and we could see the cool sensors and stuff that are in the back here. So I'm gonna turn it on, just regular dryer mode, no attachments. It is strong. Have this attachment on. So I just put it literally right beside my head so you guys would hear what it sounds like. I would say it's not the quietest hairdryer out there. It's a bit quieter than the current one I have that was really cheap. It's not as loud, which I kind of find nice. That airflow sounded really high to me. It's also pretty hot. Yeah, it seems to be working perfectly so far. I am super excited I was able to finally grab myself a Dyson hairdryer. I've wanted one for like years and years, guys. So if you are looking to pick up this Dyson Supersonic Nural hairdryer today, I've gone ahead and left a link down in the description for you to use. There is my quick unboxing. My first impressions are it feels really lightweight in the hand. It feels and it looks premium, high quality. I really am liking the quick attachments that you can kind of take them off and on, and they feel really solid, like they're not gonna come off easily. I think that was great. And I don't know how to use this yet, guys. I have to read through the manual, so I can't talk about, the effectiveness of it. I haven't used it yet, but just off my first impressions, it does look and feel really premium. I am liking the build quality. I'm liking the ease of use when it comes to switching attachments, turning it on and off, super quick, responsive, and yeah, it just seems like a solid option so far. Now, I'm not planning to do a review on this because, I'm not a beauty blogger. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm not hugely knowledgeable into what really makes a good hairdryer. I just kind of wanted this because I've heard good things about it myself as an average consumer. If you guys want to hear me kind of do a little bit of an update video of how I'm liking it personally, I can definitely do something like that in the future. Just let me know in the comments below. Just say review in the comments. And yeah, if you've used this or if you have the previous Dyson, the Supersonic Original, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And all right, guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.